Hey guys, what's up? I'm back with a brand new video and it's time to do a speed test comparison between the Vivo V20 SE versus the Huawei Nova 7i. And guys, and the Huawei Nova 7i give you a Huawei Kirin A10 chips with 8 GB of RAM, while the Vivo V20 SE give you a old Snapdragon 665 chipset with 8 GB of RAM as well. And guys, I want to see that how is the Snapdragon 665 chipset stack up against the Huawei. So without any wasting time, let's get right into it and let's see which one is going to be the fastest one and how much difference between these two devices. Now let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. Here we go. And the logo, it is a little bit more faster on the Huawei Nova 7i, while the Vivo V20 SE it is also right behind there. And guys, both phones is running on Android 10. We have a EMUI version 10 on the Huawei Nova 7i compared to a FunTouch OS version 11. And you can see in the Huawei Nova 7i it is a lot much faster when it comes to booting up, while the Vivo V20 SE it take a lot of time, and now it is also done. And you can see about 4 or 5 second difference there between these two devices. And guys, you can see that we have a different display on both phones. We have a Full HD Super AMOLED display on the Vivo V20 with the water top notch on the center, while the Huawei Nova 7i give you a Full HD IPS LCD display. But we have a front facing camera inside this punch hole on the Huawei Nova 7i, and also in the Huawei Nova 7i it is a much wider phone compared to the Vivo V20 SE. And guys, everything is closed up in the background, and you can see no app is running in the background. And guys, also we have a same Wi-Fi network on both phones. And the first application we have is the phone dialer on both phones. Here we go, and that is much faster on the Huawei Nova 7i. Now let's see the settings, and again huge faster on the Huawei Nova 7i. Now let's see Amazon shopping, and you can see that Huawei Nova 7i it is much faster there. Let's see the scrolling, and you can see no lag whatsoever. And now let's see some games application, and first on the list is the Candy Crush Saga. We have a Huawei A10 chipset versus a Snapdragon 665, and you can see Huawei Nova 7i it is much faster there, and you can see. So now let's check out Instagram, and you can see huge faster on the Huawei Nova 7i. And now let's see the pinout on both phones, one more game application, and you can see Huawei Nova 7i it is much faster there, followed by the Vivo V20 SE. And guys, and the Subway Surfer as well as the Temper Run 2 it is not work on the Huawei Nova 7i, so that is why I don't use these two apps on the Huawei Nova 7i. Now let's see Spotify, and you can see Huawei Nova 7i it is again much faster there. And now let's opening up the Twitter, and that is exactly the same on both phones, no difference there. The Zedge, and you can see again more faster on the Huawei Nova 7i, and you can see no lag whatsoever. And now let's see the Snapchat, and you can see again much faster on the Huawei Nova 7i. And last, I'm launching the cameras on both phones, default camera app, and that is little bit more faster on the Huawei Nova 7i. So I already done a camera test on the Huawei Nova 7i on my channel. If you are interested, watch that. And now let's see internet browsing speed. I am seeing default Huawei internet browser on the Huawei Nova 7i compared to a Google Chrome on the Vivo V20 SE. We have wikipedia.org, and you can see a little bit more faster on the Huawei Nova 7i. Let's see the scrolling, and you can see feels really smooth on both phones. And next on the list is the wwe.com, and it is a little bit heavy website, and you can see that both phones is perform about the same, I would say. Now let's see the scrolling, and you can see and feels a little bit more smoother on the Huawei Nova 7i. And now let's see the RAM management on both phones. And guys, we have 8 GB of RAM on both phones, and the Vivo V20 SE has a Google stock Android software. Now let's see the phone dialer, that is not refresh on both phones. Let's see the settings, no refresh. Amazon shopping, let's see the Candy Crush Saga, no refresh. Instagram, and now let's see the pinout, and you can see no refresh. Spotify, and now let's check out the Twitter, that is also not refresh. Zedge, now let's see the Snapchat, And last we are back to the internet browser where we left, and you can see. And guys, overall I have to say that the app's opening speed is much faster on the Huawei Nova 7i in system-based application as well as in game uploading time, and also the RAM measurement is absolutely incredible on both these two devices, and you can see. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between the Vivo V20 ST versus the Huawei Nova 7i, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel if you are new here, and I will catch you in my next video. Peace out.